Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I'm working with the My Crafty Boutique XOXO Pastel Digital Kit. So playing with my Cricut. So like I've told you before, I'm working off of my cell phone, and this is just an iPhone. And I have the Cricut Design Space app on my phone. Now, when I downloaded the digital file, there's several steps that I had to do. So I had to go in and save it, download it into my Google file on my phone. And then I went into my design space and opened it up. And then I uploaded the image. And you have to browse your files to find the correct file. And then I uploaded the image. Now I cannot use the SVG, or not the SVG, but the silhouette file that it comes with the digital kit. So you have to use the original image, the JPEG image, and you upload it, and it'll take you through the process of outlining the areas and making sure that the white areas that you want cut out are cleaned up. So see, I see that I didn't get in between here. So what I'm going to do, I am going to go back to my canvas. Actually, nope, I can't. I will show you on the next, I'll show you on the next part. So we'll go here, replace this, and I'm going to get ready to print it. So you see here it says print or continue. So I'm here at my printer, and I'm going to print this this page first, okay? And it brings up my printer, and it shows you that it's going to print this outline around the area so that the Cricut machine will be able to detect the cut space or the cutting area. All right, and I just sent it to my printer, and I have my printer here. So now it's just picking it up because it's through Bluetooth, and I'm going to let it print, and I'll see you when it comes out. Okay guys, so now I'm here. I put it came out of the printer. And because I'm new to this, I didn't finish up my edges, so you got to take your time doing this, and there is a process. So here's my board now. It finished printing, and the next step will be to load your canvas or your mat. Okay, and now I'm going to put that into, I'm sorry that I'm doing this one-handed, and it's blinking here for you to load your mat. Okay, and now the next step will come up, and then I want it to cut fast because I'm impatient. And now our Cricut button is blinking, and we're going to let it print and then cut. Let it cut. So it just measured our paper, finding the lines, and let's see how well it's going to cut. I don't know, I'm not reading the program now. Okay, so it found the images, and now it's cutting it out. Yeah, and I even got the inside of those little tiny bows. So this one, it's not too bad. I mean, I'm still going to use it. I'm sure you ladies who are used to all this stuff, it's going to, uh-oh. So see, it messed up because it's cutting my band or my bows in half, and those are tabs. They're just supposed to be folded in half, but I can see now it cut that in half. So lots of learning, lots of learning. So I'll see you when it comes out. Okay guys, so it came out. I just pulled off the cutaway and it sure did. It cut my tabs in half. So I've got to work on these. And then on the little tiny bow, it did cut away a lot of the gray that I thought I didn't do a good job at. It really did. It cut away. I'm very happy with how this came out. The downfall is you gotta reset what it shouldn't have cut that apart. I'm not sure how that happened, but it cut pretty nicely. I am happy with it. This is very intricate, so yeah, I think I will do this again. So I didn't get the insides of these bows, but that's okay. So that's what that looks like, and I'm gonna go and print up the next page, and I'll share with you guys everything that came out of the whole stuff. Okay. I also wanted to come on and share with you. I'm printing the background pages from the digital kit off of my cell phone, and my printer settings on here is edge to edge, and it print the image 8.5 by 11 edge to edge. Okay, and here's the second print, 8.5 by 11, and it's just from using my cell phone program. And I'm just gonna go to print down here, and it goes edge to edge, and I'm gonna print, and it's gonna go in the printer. There you go. Look at how that paper looks. Real pretty. And this is the Pen and Gear again, 110-pound cardstock. So check it out, guys. I'm telling you, you got to play with your computer and your printers, and even my cell phone, which I'm doing a lot of the work is all from my cell phone. So I'll be back. OMG guys, you have got to get this kit. This is the XOXO Pastel 2020 from My Crafty Boutique. Look at that, it says Lip Jams. That is so cool. And this one says Love Yourself. This is a digital kit. And here's the little pouch, pencil pouch that she drew. This is all her drawings. Like, seriously, look at these glasses. I'm gonna put some bling on it. And she made this pen. She already had this pen, but she added a bow to the pen. See that right there? Camera will focus. It doesn't want to focus. She got her little planner, pen holder, 2 cell phones. I love you more than crafting. I don't know about that. I love you more than my planner. I can say yes. Coffee's my Valentine. I don't know, because I don't want to hurt my husband's feelings. And here's her open layout planner. Pretty adorable. And these are supposed to be page flags. They're supposed to fold over, but my Cricut apparently cut the bows in half and the hearts in half. So Go check it out, guys, at My Crafty Boutique on Zibit, and she is My Crafty Boutique group on Facebook. This is the XOXO pastel for 2020. Thanks for watching.